more at 5. Watching out for you.
First tonight at 5, the first child COVID vaccines already going into arms. This is video from San Diego, less than 24 hours since the CDC gave the go-ahead to vaccinate kids 5 to 11. And here at home, some parents are also working to get their kids protected. I want to thank you for joining us. I'm Corey Stark.
And I'm Paige Halsey in for Samantha Jones. As pharmacies and doctors prepare, so do schools. Our Russell Kinsall has been reaching out to St. Louis area districts today who are planning their own clinics. Russell?
Well, let me start off by telling you the major health systems, they're gearing up, preparing to hold vaccination clinics for kids 5 to 11. You can go online to get scheduling information. Schools also gearing up. Some of them will be holding vaccination clinics. Some parents, though, not waiting around for that. They've already jumped online to get their kids scheduled for their kids' protection and the protection of others.
We're excited. Looking forward to it.
Timothy Hunt already has his 8-year-old son, Benjamin, scheduled for vaccination on Saturday.
We have a few health conditions, so we're at a bit higher risk, and we just want to try and mitigate the risk as much as possible, both for our son and also for ourselves.
Children are much less likely to be hospitalized or die from COVID. Still, COVID has killed 500 children in the U.S. And a Washington University pediatric infectious disease physician at St. Louis Children's Hospital says many more have suffered complications.
There's this horrible complication known as multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children that's impacted over 5,000 children across our country and another 50 deaths from that.
Health departments and pharmacies are going to be primary places to find the vaccine, but schools are planning vaccine clinics also. The Rockwood District will hold one at Crestview Middle School.
It's ultimately our goal to have our students and staff in school working safe and healthy, and that's just one step towards making that happen.
Rockwood's clinic will run November 9th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. St. Louis Public Schools are also planning a vaccine clinic, but the date hasn't been set. The Parkway School District will be November 19th from 5 to 8 at Central Middle School. Edwardsville hasn't set a date yet for theirs, but Granite City will be doing vaccinations Tuesday, November 23rd from 3:30 to 7:30.
For us to get out of the pandemic, we need to get as many people vaccinated as possible. And there are 28 million children 5 to 11 years of age.
Timothy Hunt's son wants to get vaccinated so he won't pose a risk to his friend who can't get vaccinated because he's battling cancer.
And so it's part of protecting his friend as well and protecting the community at large.
Some places you can already get online, book appointments. Others just learn information about when vaccination clinics are going to be happening in the future. The earliest appointments we found were for Saturday. Live in the Central West End, Russell Kinsall, News 4.